Greetings, family, and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko. How are you doing? How is your day going? How is our families and friends at your side doing? In today's video, I'm a little bit late, so sorry for not taking you through the whole process. The plumber, Master Sadiq, is here today, and before I come back, he has already installed the pipes. So this is what he did today. He has installed the waste pipe for the apartment that we're going to build at the top. So this particular waste PVC pipe or PVC waste pipe is going to be served as, the waste pipe for the toilet, and it's 4 inches. And then this one is going to be served as the waste pipe for the shower on that mini apartment that we're gonna build at the top. So he has already installed that one too, and now he is on the process of installing this particular waste pipe, which will be for the hand washing basin. So he's now on the process of chiseling it. And when he chiseled it, that particular pipe that he's going to install right now, the PVC pipe that he's going to install right now, will be served as a hand washing basin for the lounge. To serve as a hand washing basin for the lounge, because maybe sometimes people will sit there to eat, people will be there to do certain things and will want to wash their hands. So there has to be a hand washing basin there. So currently that's what he's chiseling. That's the reason why he's chiseling the wall of the tank to fix the pipe, so that the concrete will be cast together with the pipe. The walls to the underground water tank is harder like a rock, very, very hard and solid. So this particular waste PVC pipe is 2 inches for the hand wash basin or hand washing basin, and the service pipe is 3/4. It's a 3/4 PVC pipe.
Insurance between that, so I'm
Brother Sadiq, be careful, please. So this is the process he went through to install all the pillars, the PVC pipes into the pillars. Okay. Yeah, so Master Sadiq is saying that the reason why he installed this PVC pipe, which is 1-inch pipe here, is because it is, a reserve pipe for any kind of, connection that we would like to have inside the compound in the future, so that we can still have access to water in the compound. The visitors of Queens are here. So this particular PVC pipe is the one that is going to be supplying water to the washrooms at Queens. The washrooms, at the guest rooms, to, the guest house. And it's also a 3/4 PVC pipe. So this PVC pipe that he just fixed will go to the topmost part of the building. So any kind of water that is from, any kind of rain water or any kind of water that drops on the top of the floor, on top of the floor, like on the topmost part of this particular structure, will pass through here and then go straight to the gutter.
Mashallah.
Family, this is where we come to the end of the video for today. Master Sadiq has finished installing all the PVC pipes and everything has come along very nicely. Thank you so much for your time, your patience, your contributions and your ideas. I really appreciate you. Well, I say a very wonderful day and a very good night to all of you, and thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification button. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace.